Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time on a Helius Penlight. Now I was contacted by this company. They do have an Amazon store. They wanted me to test and review their product. Comes in this plain box. Alright, so let's wait no further, let's open it up, see what's in. Comes with a user manual. We're going to go over these little outputs here. 230 lumens on high. Comes with an extra set of O-rings. And let's take a look at the light. We're going to show it up to you nice and close. Finish on this is very nice, feels very durable. I like the fact that this does have a steel bezel on there. Now this is running the Nichia 219 LED. Clip on there feels pretty sturdy. Button there to turn it on, and has 3 light levels, low, medium, and high. And we'll get you up a little close and personal here before I show you the cells that I'm running in it. Alright. And straight contact point for the head of the light. I'm running the Panasonic Antelope. These have been really good cells for me as well. Get good run times, good battery life, probably one of the better cells that you can buy besides my EBLs. Takes 2 of them. Unfortunately, can't show you the spring. There is a spring down inside there. But in any case, you can kind of get the idea. So now we're going to go ahead and put it back together, and I'll show you the light outputs here. Alright. And we're going to go through them. It's really simple. Turn that on. Real floody beam on this, as you can see. So now we're going to go through the next level. That's medium. And that's high. 230 lumens out of that. A lot of light comes out of that. Just for 2 AAA batteries. Amazing. And it's really got a nice warm tint to that. Alright, so let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Helius Penlight. So we're going to go ahead and turn it on. And as you can see, real floody out here. Fog's kind of rolling in and out here. So hopefully I have enough time to get a good beam here on this one. 7 to 10 feet at this light output. So we're going to go to the next one. And there's the next light output. Doing really good. It's got a good color temperature on this. Show it on the fence. Real wide flood on that. And we'll show it over here at this other side. You can see that's some really good light output. So we're going to go to the next level. And there it is. Look at that. 230 lumens. Very nice color temperature on that. A little fog blowing in and out here through my night shots, but still able to shoot some nice night footage here with this. Now remember, this is only a Penlight, so it's the fact that it's making 60 feet there and 35 feet there. Now it's not going to make the, yeah, it is faintly making the tree of life. I didn't think it would make it that far, but that's pretty impressive. Fog's rolling by me here. That looks really cool. Look at that. It's like a lifesaver. Yeah. Alright. Little Star Wars humor there for you guys. Alright, so the fog's still slowly moving through. A lot of light that this thing throws out on 2 AAA batteries. Incredible. Alright. I hope you enjoyed those night shots. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed those night shots. Outstanding performance for this light. That was one of the better light outputs on a pen I have yet to test. Now, I don't have a lot of Penlights, but I have about 6 of them. And this is one of the better performing ones under my Nichia. I have a couple from Nichia that this is right up there with it. Now, they're more of a cooler white. This being compared to a Nichia cool white LED is not fair. It's throwing out a lot of light at this color temperature, which is very impressive. So build quality is outstanding, and machining and finish on this is really nice as well. I can't say anything bad about it. So I just want to thank again Helius for sending me this to review. Now, they have an Amazon store, and they have provided me a special discount code where you can save some money. They're offering this now with my discount code right up on that screen. And that'll be $18.99. So really a nice quality product. That's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these type of lights to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.